As we have seen, there are lots of positive impacts of laughing. Are you ready for all of the benefits? Maybe after all you think this could be worth something. And I say yes. I felt it by myself. I mostly did it to have fun and to get this amazing feeling of joy. And once upon a while I got it. To be honest, you won't be always that excited and full of a wave of endorphins. Laughter yoga is like a sport. It takes some time to get into it, but you should give it a chance. Laughter yoga has given me some great experiences and supplied me a lot of cool times. That's why I became a laughter yoga instructor for 1.5 years. In this special course, I want to really make it a good experience for you. And I like to help you to find your connection to laughter yoga. Even if you until now thought, this is weird. I want to encourage you to write me a message if you have any announcements regarding the subject or the course. I also hope you didn't get bored by the scientific stuff. If you are very interested in that, you can go to the Laughing Clowns or the Laughing University webpage to get more information. Now we are going to take a deeper look how laughter yoga works. And I will show you some examples. Keep an eye on it because later on we will do the exercises together.